Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I am going to be making over my bathroom in my rental apartment. But before you keep watching this video, if you're new here and you missed season 1 of my rental reno, where I made over every space in my house when I first moved into this apartment, stop right now. Go back to that playlist, I'll link it right up here. Watch that video and then come back here to watch me redo it again. I guess this self-quarantining period for me has kind of turned into like my rental reno part 2 because I am slowly making over every room in my apartment again. Also, it's a win-win because you guys love these makeovers, I love these makeovers. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just get started. Okay, so this is what my bathroom looked like just before I moved into this apartment. Yellow walls, all open shelving, absolutely zero clothes storage, and this is what it looks like now. It's pretty, it's very fresh, it's airy, but there are a few problems that have arisen for me using the space since I last made it over. One of those problems is that I have absolutely no vanity space. I have been like balancing my makeup on the side of this tiny sink or the top of the toilet, which is not hygienic at all. My makeup falls on the ground like every day, goes everywhere. Anyways, I really need some sort of like vanity surface. So I'm gonna be tackling that. And I also wanna add in more plants and more color to this space. So today I'm gonna be focusing on painting the walls. I want to fill some holes, repaint a couple areas. I used to have a toilet roll holder that like fell off the wall, so I need to like deal with that situation. Just basically get it prepped and ready for decor. So let's go do that now. I'm gonna change. This is not a practical painting outfit. Sorry guys, there's stuff everywhere. But yesterday, one change I made right off the bat was my friend Chico, who is the contractor on Make My Space Work. He came and installed this shelf for me. I wasn't home, it was all safe, and yeah, we didn't even see each other. But this is the solve for this vanity situation. He made this by hand, like how beautiful. And now I finally have a shelf to do my makeup in the morning. I wanted something that spanned the entire wall so I could really maximize all of that horizontal space, and I love it. So I'm gonna fill, there's a couple holes here. I'm gonna rehang Melinda up on the wall under here. I'm gonna patch this up. This is where the toilet roll holder used to be. I took this shelf down, so I'm gonna fill the holes. Basically, I'm just going to freshen up the walls a bit and get them ready for my accent wall that I'm gonna tackle later on this afternoon. This house is so old and these bathroom walls are like so bumpy and so textured. So I'm gonna try and smooth some of those areas out. So I hung Melinda back up. I'm gonna start painting. Blank canvas. I'm gonna take this down as well. This is going in my bedroom. But here's another look at that beautiful shelf that Chico made me. So it just spans this whole wall. And I think that's a really good tip for you guys if you have a small bathroom, is not only focusing on vertical height, but horizontal height as well. This literally takes up the entire wall and I'm gonna get so much good use out of it. Lottie's here. Oh, I was also gonna mention, so many of you in the first video were very confused where I showered, which I thought was hilarious because, I mean, obviously you guys, I have a shower in my apartment. It's right here. That's my shower. Okay, so I'm gonna start painting the walls with the fresh coat of white paint. And then on this wall, I am painting it that really beautiful pink color that I just used for my office transformation. I will link that video up here if you guys missed it. I was gonna keep it all white and I'm like, no, let's go pink, let's go fun. It's Lottie's favorite place to sit. She loves it. Your plant's gone, Lots. She's like, Mom, where's my plant? Your plant's gone. It's been a few minutes. Well, it's actually been more than a few minutes. The putty is now dry, so I'm just gonna give it a light sand and then start painting over with some white paint just to touch up this area. Now it is time for me to paint this wall pink. You guys know I never really go for colors, so I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite pink colors at the moment. I will link it down below. I'm gonna put some T-Swift on and then paint away. Look at that color. Oh, it's gonna be so good, guys. Look at this pink wall. Hi friends. My hair is so frizzy today. It's kind of still wet too from the shower. Anyways, today is a brand new day of this bathroom makeover. I actually haven't touched this room in a while just because things have gotten delayed and shipping, but I've received almost everything. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of what the bathroom looks like now, and then we're going to go ahead and finish this off. I'm so excited. This is what the bathroom looks like now. So we've got the shelf, we've got the pink wall, and that's it. You'll notice that the mirror is gone. I've put it in my bedroom right on this wall. I love having it in my bedroom. It makes this bedroom feel a lot bigger, a lot more open, and I just love this piece, so I think it works here. And you'll also notice that there's a cute new light fixture. I'm smiling because I just love it so much. Guys, it's literally a giant flower. How cool and quirky is that? You guys know I love a little bit of quirk. I love statement lights in any space, but I think in a powder room or a bathroom, it's like, have fun with it. You have nothing to lose. So this light is from Mitzi. I will light them down below. That was a good one. That wasn't even intentional. Okay, I will link all the products in this makeover down below, including this light. They just have really cool different wall sconces and ceiling lights, which I find are generally harder to find like really nice ones at an affordable price. So go check them out down below. I am going to put the bulb in now. Okay, moment of truth. Let's turn it on. You guys, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. The little things that make me so happy. Also, look at the pattern that it makes on the wall. You guys, this is a gorgeous light. Wow. So now it's time to move on to the mirror. I put my hair up, it's just way too hot. I wanna show you guys my thought process behind what I thought would work on this wall. I thought that because I have this shelf kind of separating the bottom half of the bathroom with the top half, I thought it would be really cool to do a big like semicircle mirror. You can see I kind of drew it out with pencil. I didn't want something too big because I didn't want it impeding with the light. So I really wanted the light to be kind of like the hero item and then have a mirror that just complemented that. And I just felt a round mirror would look a little bit squished. So I went on the hunt for a half circle mirror and I found this one. It's kind of like a champagne-y gold color, but I love it so much. I'm also really into the semicircle, like half moon shape right now. I think it's trendy and stylish, but still kind of classic looking. Okay, let's get it on the wall. I just realized I'm standing on my, I just realized I'm like standing beside my tripod. Okay, this is a very like lax video shoot today. When I don't have Carla and I'm on my own, I just go rogue basically. Oh, I love it. Also proof that like just even picking a different shape in a standard item like a mirror can make such a big difference. And I feel like it really adds to the vibe that I'm going for. I love it, it looks so good. Now it's time to tackle this back wall. Originally, I was gonna do some sort of plant wall, which I think would have been really cool. And I actually got the little vases to put on the wall. I'll show a picture of what I mean up here. But I was thinking it's gonna look really busy. It's a small space. I have the bold light, the pink wall. I just felt like the plant situation was gonna be a lot. I think a plant wall in like a serene white bathroom would look so good. So I will link the vases that I didn't end up using, and they literally just like nail into your wall. So they kind of float on your wall, which is really cool. But instead I'm gonna hang a piece of art, this one. So let's do it. She just looks like she belongs here. Like she's a little sassy lady in a bikini. It's perfect. Plants are in, pictures up, and now it's time for my favorite part, which is styling everything. I'm gonna bring in everything that I wanna keep on this shelf. I have the white shelf up there that I can also use for storage. Let's go. Fun hack for your Band-Aids. I found this cute little container. It says plasters, which is the British term for Band-Aids. I just keep them in here, and it's just such an easy way to store your Band-Aids but make them look cute. So I'm gonna put that here. Got a candle. These are my favorite essential oil sprays that my friend Carla got me for Christmas. I've talked about these a bunch. It's a Canadian owned company, I think. Yeah, it's Canadian owned company, and I use these every day, so it's nice to have them out. This used to be a candle, and I just washed it out when the candle was finished, and this has all my everyday makeup in it. I realize that there's a lot of people watching that are probably like, is that really all the makeup you have? No, I have tons of other makeup for shoots and stuff that I store in a makeup bag in my drawers in my bedroom. And then for hair ties and bobby pins, I've just put them all in this cute little basket. I'm putting that right there. The shelf is done and styled. I really think it's all about placing things in cute little baskets or bowls, and then suddenly you have all this storage that also looks really pretty as well. We're almost ready for the before and afters, but I wanted to fill you guys in on what I'm doing for the floors. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna make this a part 2 because I'm changing these floors completely, and I think that there can be a whole video dedicated on peel and stick tile, peel and stick floor tiles. There's so many on the market, and there's a really kind of precise way of doing it and installing it. So that video is coming. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any of my makeover videos. Let's take a look at this bathroom in all its stages. So the first phase of this bathroom, right before I moved in, yellow walls, tiny narrow open shelving, just not a good time. And then we upgraded to a more bright, airy, fresh feeling space. And now it's this. It's quirky, it's colorful, it has way more functional storage for me to get ready with in the morning. I love all the greenery. It just feels cozy and warm in here. And like a room that I want to get ready in every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and following along during my like quarantine rental reno part 2. Actually, I'm going to start a playlist of my rental reno season 2. It was like a very informal season 2. Didn't know it was gonna happen. It just kind of happened. So if you've missed my closet office, my living room, or my bedroom transformations, they will all be linked in the playlist up here. Stay tuned for part 2 of this bathroom makeover when I completely change the floor, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Can't even see me waving. Okay, bye. Whoa, God. You guys, I almost just stepped on Lottie. Say bye. Say bye, friend.